Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to buy fractional share on Robinhood. If you want to go ahead and buy fractional share on Robinhood, then you need to follow the steps. So basically, what you need to do is you have to go ahead and open up your stocks page. So I'm gonna go with the. So when you go to the stock page, you could see these are all the sort of things that you can go with. You could then apply whichever crypto that you want to go with or stocks that you want to go with. Let's see, I'm gonna go with this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and add it, or I'm gonna open it up. So here you could see this is how it's gonna look like. Now basically what you have to do is, in my case, I cannot go ahead and start investing since my application has been approved. So you could not see this option as trade. So what you need to do is, when this page pops up, you need to press the trade button and click on buy. When you go to buy, then you could either do it in a share or in dollars. So you select that accordingly, and this way you'll be able to do your fractional shares. Or you could enable or buy fractional share on the Robinhood. However, you have to go and explore all of the assets or the stocks that you own. So you could just go ahead and read out that, and that's how you could go ahead and buy a fractional share on your Robinhood. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.